How AI and GTP trading are changing personal finance in 2025. Hello and welcome back to the silverfox Money Matters. I'm Kevin and today we're exploring one of the biggest trends in personal finance, as well as investing, how artificial intelligence, especially like ChatGPT, is changing the way we manage money and trade stocks in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or already investing or just curious about the future of money, this video will help you understand how AI is making personal finance smarter, easier, and more accessible for everyone. Let's dive in. What is artificial intelligence? AI and GPT. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence or AI is when computers are programmed to think and learn like humans. They recognize patterns, solve problems, even carry out conversations. You've probably used AI before. Maybe when you asked your phone's assistant a question, get a movie, recommendations from Netflix, or see ads that seem to know exactly what you want. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That's a fancy way of saying it's a computer program that's being trained on a ton of information, like books, articles, and websites, so it can answer questions, write stories, and even help with things like investing. ChatGTP is one of the most popular AI tools right now. You can chat with it, ask it questions, and get helpful answers. In plain English, but how does this connect to money and trading, you ask? Let's find out. How AI is changing personal finance. AI is making personal finance easier and more personalized than ever before. Here are a few ways it's helping people like you and me. We'll start with smart budgeting apps. There are apps now that use AI to track your spending, spot patterns, and suggest ways to save money instead of sorting through your bank account. The app does it for you. It can even warn you if you're spending too much or reminding you to pay your bills. Investment advice for everyone. In the past, you needed a financial advisor, sometimes costing hundreds or thousands of dollars. To get personalized investment advice, now AI powered apps can analyze your financial situation and suggest investment strategies tailored to your goals, risk level, and timeline. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Also, fraud detection. AI is also making banking safer. It can spot unusual transactions and alert you if someone's trying to use your credit card without your permission. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your money safe. Then there's automated trading. This is where things get really interesting. AI can now help you buy and sell stocks, sometimes even making trades automatically based on the patterns it finds in the market. That's what we'll focus on next. What is GPT trading? GPT trading is when you use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you research, plan, even execute trades in the stock market. Here's how it works. ChatGPT can quickly summarize news, analyze companies' earnings, and explain financial terms. Strategy, it can help you build a trading plan like when you buy or when to sell your stocks. Automation, AI bots to actually make trades for them based on rules they set. Let's break these down so you can see how they work in real life. Using ChatGPT for stock research, imagine you're interested in investing in a company, but you don't know where to start. You could spend hours searching online, trading, and reading articles and trying to understand complicated financial reports. Or you could ask ChatGPT, Can you summarize Apple's latest earnings report? What are the biggest risks for Tesla right now? What does it mean when a company has a high PE ratio? ChatGPT will give you clear, simple answers, saving you time and helping you make better decisions. Building a trading strategy with AI. Let's say you want to start trading stocks, but you're not sure how ChatGPT can help you create a simple strategy. For example, give me a beginner's trading plan using moving averages. How do I set a stop loss to protect my money? It might suggest buying a stock when its price goes up above its 50-day average or selling it if it drops by 5%. You can then test this strategy using stock market simulators, which lets you practice with fake money before risking your own. Automating your trades. If you get more advanced, you can use AI bots to make trades for you. You can set the rules like buy if the prices goes up by 2%, sell if it drops by 3%, and the bot does the rest. This can save you time and help you avoid emotional decisions. But remember, you're still in control. AI is a tool to help you. AI is a tool to help you, not replacement for your own judgment. The benefits of AI and GPT trading. Let's talk about why so many people are excited about AI and personal finance and trading. The speed and efficiency. AI can process information much faster than any human. It can scan thousands of news articles, financial reports, and market trends in seconds, giving you an up-to-date insight. Personalization. AI tools can tailor advice to your specific situation, your age, income, goals, and risk tolerance. This means you get recommendations that actually fit your life, not just generic tips. Accessibility. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to use. AI tools, many are free or low cost, making smart investing available to everyone. Emotion free decisions. One of the biggest mistakes in investing is letting emotions take over, like panic selling when the market drops. AI follows the rules you set, helping you stick to your plan. The risk and limitations. Of course, AI isn't perfect. Here are some things to watch out for. AI doesn't predict the future. AI can analyze past data, spot patterns, but it can't see the future. Unexpected events like political changes, natural disasters, or sudden company news can still shake up the market. Over reliance on technology. It's easy to get lazy and let AI do all the thinking, but you still need to understand the basics of investing and make your own decisions. Think of AI as a helpful assistant, not your boss. Security and privacy. When using AI apps, make sure they're from trusted companies. Protect your personal and financial information and watch out for scams. Market risks still apply. Even the best AI investing always involves risks. You can lose money, especially if you don't diversify or if you take big risks. Hoping for quick profits, real life examples, trading with ChatGPT. Let's walk through a real life scenario to make this clear. Suppose you're interested in trading shares of a popular company like Tesla. Here's how you might use ChatGPT and AI tools. You would research. You ask ChatGPT what were Tesla's main achievements and challenges in the last quarter. It gives you a summary of their earnings and new products and any issues they faced. Strategy. You ask what's a simple trading strategy for Tesla based on recent trends. ChatGPT suggests using a moving average crossover, buying when the 50-day average crosses above the 200-day average. Then there's risk management. You ask, How do I protect myself from big losses? ChatGPT explains stop and loss orders and positions sizing, helping you set safe limits. Then there's automation. If you want, you can use a trading bot to follow these rules automatically so you don't have to watch the market all day. Then review. After a week, you ask ChatGPT to help you review your trades and see what works and what didn't. This approach saves you time, helps you learn, and gives you confidence to make smarter decisions. How to get started with AI and so GPT trading. If you're interested in trying this out, here's how to get started. Learn the basics before jumping in. Learn the basics of investing. There are tons of free resources online, including videos, articles, as well as courses. Understand the terms like stock, bonds, ETFs, risk, and diversification. Try out ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT for free or with a subscription. Start asking it simple questions about finance and investing. Use it to help with research, explanations, quizzes, and even practice quizzes. Use a stock market simulator. Before risking any real money, a simulator to practice reading. Many apps let you trade with fake money, so you can test strategies, learn from mistakes without losing anything. Set clear goals as well as rules. Decide what you want to achieve. Saving for college, building wealth, or just learning. Set clear rules for how much you'll invest, when you'll buy or sell, and how much risk you're willing to take. Remember, start small. When you're ready to invest real money, start small. Don't put all your savings into the market at once. Build up slowly as you gain experience as well as confidence. Keep learning. The world of AI and finance is always changing. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and keep learning. Subscribe to the channel like the Silver Fox Money Matters for the latest tips and updates. Final tips for success. Stay informed. Use AI to keep up with the news trends and changes in the market. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock or investment. Spread it out to reduce risk and ask for help if you're unsure. Talk to a trusted adult, a teacher, or a financial advisor. Use AI as a tool. Remember, AI is here to help you, but you're still in control. AI and GPT trading are changing the way we manage money and invest. These tools make it easier, faster, and more personalized than ever before. But they're not magic, they're tools to help you make smarter decisions. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Silver Fox Money Matters. For more tips on personal finance, investing, and the latest trends in money management, if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with AI and investing, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.